Yes, done. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. My name is Dipchandru Acharya. Today I'll tell you one nice mocktail. The mocktail name is CHICKOO Shake. It's very simple mocktail. You can see the fresh chiku and the chiku crush also, and along with that ice cream. Okay. First, how to make that CHICKOO Shake mocktail? First of all, take a like jar, and you have to add that fresh chiku and remove the seeds. Then just add. After that, you have to add some vanilla ice cream. Okay, see, you have to use one scoop of vanilla ice cream. After that, you can add some ice cream. Don't add more ice cream, you have to add some ice cream. Then you have to add one spoon of sugar. Then you have to pour like 180 to 200 ml of milk. Okay, just add 180 ml of milk. After that, you have to use chiku crush. You can add 30 to 40 ml of chiku crush. You can see that fresh chiku base mocktail. Yes, yes. 40 ml of chiku crush. Then you have to blend all the ingredients properly. Just close the cap. Okay. Blend all the ingredients. This is very fancy mocktail. Actually, you can try. This is fancy mocktail. You can try. This is faster than grinding. If you use that fresh chicken, if you blend all the ingredients, that mocktail is not fresh. You have to blend. Okay. After that, just pour in a glass. See how the thick came. It's very okay. After that, you can decorate the mocktail with some mint leaf, and you can garnish with some fresh that chitu. Okay. After that, you can decorate the mocktail with some garnish umbrella. This is the chiku shake mocktail. You can try in your home. Very simple. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Then. Okay. Stop. See how the fancy mocktail chiku shake is ready with very. Don't add more ice cube. If you are making some like creamy based mocktail, then you have to add little bit of ice cube so that you will get the thickness. Okay, this is very fancy mocktail. You can try with the combination of fresh chiku, little bit of milk, sugar syrup, and chiku crush. That's it. And you have to blend all the ingredients properly. See how that fancy color in trying with really, it is very good taste. You can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you.